Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you're welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm Rosie, and today I've done something different. I decided to spend my week at Ssezibwa Falls, and I decided to bring you along. I decided to bring you along, guys. Come with us, let's have fun, let's enjoy. We have our tour guide over there. He's going to be taking us around. Otherwise, let me show you the place. We are at the entrance. This is the entrance, main entrance to Ssezibwa. Guys, this is Ssezibwa. That's the bridge over there. We used to have an old bridge over there, but you know, it was removed and we have this one over here. So this is what we are going to be using. Up. I thought we are going to go there. Different waterfalls here, and this is one of them. It's called Ssezibwa. People say it's a woman who gave birth to this waterfall. I don't know how true this is, but I'm going to be asking the tour guide and he will let me know. Let's go to him. Yeah, so guys, we are passing on this bridge. Let me ask you, do you mind being there? Sure. Is it true that it's a woman who gave birth to this bridge?
Well, that's how
I meant these falls.
The river forming Ssezibwa Falls. Legend has it that it's a twin-born river, so it was produced by a lady known as Nakambute Vatesa and Suga Ssezibwa, her husband. So yeah, legend has it that it was given birth.
So as we are told, Nakungute Batusa is believed to have given birth to this river. She gave birth to two. One was called Ssezibwa Falls and another one Buwanda. And according to locals, the name Ssezibwa was derived from the phrase Ssezibwa Kubo, which translates into "my path can never be blocked." The locals say the river could not be stopped even by different obstacles it encountered along the 150-kilometer long distance. So that's why it's called Ssezibwa. So guys, about this place, I'm told it's a spiritual site. People come here and do their spiritual rituals. Besides us who come to the tour. So on arrival, the tour guide took us around, briefed us and told us to expect different things, not like seeing traditional healers, seeing people coming to seek for blessings and removal of curses from ancestors. So we moved expecting that, but he also told us to expect the other good side, to expect birds, monkeys, different fish species, different butterflies, the water, the cool breezes. Guys, Judge Amsoke responsible for giving birth. So if you're barren, you come here, and give birth. We have Mukasa responsible for harvest, like Chibuka. So people from different parts of Uganda bring their money, come with their animals, sacrifice, and and give to their gods. I'm told since the river was just born, I don't know. That's what they believe in. And I'm going to be showing you open shrines. I'm going to be showing you the picture of this place. I think I'll be making 2 videos basically. So guys, watch out and have fun. Remember to have told you. So that you tell me that. The rainbow appears quite often in this place you're seeing over here. So once these traditional healers, or I don't know, or how we prefer to call them, maybe doctors, or once they see the rainbow, they come here and kneel and pray. So guys, the tour guide doesn't want to appear, but he says traditional healers and people who want to worship their gods bring here sacrifices, and I'm told that is at a particular time they brought a sheep, dropped it down from up the falls, but the sheep didn't die. That's what I was told. So guys, if you're in Uganda, you guys take time off, come to Ssezibwa, have fun, enjoy. I'm going to be showing you an open shrine. I trust my God, I'm not scared. So guys, this is a traditional shrine. So guys, that shrine you've seen over there, it's a traditional shrine. So if you have your problems, if you maybe have a disease which doesn't cure, according to some people who believe in this religion, African tradition religion, you come here. I'm going to be showing you that tree. You come here, you sacrifice, and you know, I don't know, this tree over here has a cave, and the traditional healer sits in that cave and, you know, works on people. I'm going to be showing you more shrines around, more about the forest.
Those who believe in them say they work.
More about the forest, and you know, we shall enjoy together. This is Ssezibwa. This is the beauty of Ssezibwa. We have falls over there. We have different things that can excite you. We have butterflies, we have monkeys, we have different species of snakes, we have birds. It's just an amazing place to be. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you've loved most about this place. Me, I've loved the breeze, the weather, the birds. I've loved everything about this place. The water, loved it. So let me show you. I have some rocks here, and you know, my sister-in-law, my brother's wife, is there hiking. So we have another open shrine over there, and you know, our traditional healer is also there. You guys, I'm told there is a python here, and people worship it. So if they bring in offerings, eggs, coffee, and many other things. So in the morning they find the things eaten. As you can see, the coffee is eaten, the eggs are eaten. At this point I'm getting scared. Let me just leave this place. People worship these things. So
Is this the place that we saw from?
So guys, we have a shrine over here, and you see we have smoke over there. People make sacrifices, and you know, and roast it, I think, from here. I'm saying this place is for Ssezibwa or God of Life. So maybe if you see, you come here. It's the last time I came here, we saw monkeys, but unfortunately they are not here. I'm told they go where food is. I think his side food is done. I'm told some people take this water. It's not dirty. You guys, can you see more fire? It's a place for ghosts. Okay, we have reached the falls. Last time I came to this place we could cross, but I think it overrained and we can no longer cross.
Very cold. I believe it's so cold.
Very cold.
Lord, spots over there that are used to by people who come to traditional healers to bring alcohol and different wines, okay, for their rituals. Guys, Ssezibwa has an highland, as you can see over here. The water divides itself, and in between there is a dry place, and the falls is over there. So it flows, and as you can see, there is one waterway over here and one over there, and in between here there is an island. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. So guys, in this part 1 I've showed you the traditional part of Ssezibwa, but next time when I come back I'm going to be showing you the beauty of Ssezibwa, the nature and so on. Bye. Please watch up to the end so that you enjoy. Guys, look at how pretty this place is. I don't know if you're not enjoying your money. Enjoy the money you have. Guys, you see, I have another shrine over here. These people, I don't know why they overuse fire. You guys, we have some unique birds over here.
There's one up.
You say they move in 3?
They move in pairs, male and female.
Oh.
They're monogamous, so they pair for life. They pair for life.
They have disappeared. Guys, can you see that? I didn't see. You see? They move in pairs. Baby.